In the grand tapestry of life, success is not merely a destination but a journey, paved with the stones of consistent habits. Islam, a religion that emphasizes both spiritual and worldly pursuits, provides a rich tapestry of teachings that can guide us towards achieving our goals. This lecture delves into the Islamic perspective on habits, drawing from the Quran, Hadith, and the lives of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to illuminate the path to success. The power of habits. Habits are the building blocks of our lives. They shape our behaviors, attitudes, and ultimately, our destinies. The Quran, in its profound wisdom, acknowledges the significance of habits. Indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. This verse underscores the importance of internal transformation, which is often achieved through consistent habits. Islamic stories, lessons in habit formation. The life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is a treasure trove of lessons on habit formation. Let's explore a few stories that illustrate the power of habits. The habit of patience. When faced with adversity, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, exhibited remarkable patience. His unwavering belief in Allah's plan and his consistent practice of patience helped him overcome countless challenges. The habit of giving. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was known for his generosity. He gave freely to the needy, even when he had little himself. This habit of giving not only benefited others but also fostered a sense of contentment and gratitude within him. The habit of seeking knowledge. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was a voracious learner. He sought knowledge from all sources, even from those who were not Muslims. This habit of seeking knowledge allowed him to become a wise and effective leader. The Quran provides numerous verses that encourage the development of positive habits. And seek refuge in Allah from the whisperings of the devil. Indeed, he is a clear enemy to mankind. This verse encourages us to be mindful of our thoughts and to avoid negative influences. And those who strive in our cause, we will surely guide them to our paths. This verse reminds us that success requires effort and perseverance. Indeed, Allah guides those who believe to a straight path. This verse emphasizes the importance of faith and trust in Allah. Hadith on habit formation. The Hadith, the sayings and traditions of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, offer valuable insights into habit formation. The strong believer is better than the weak believer, even if the weak believer is diligent in prayer. This hadith highlights the importance of inner strength, which can be cultivated through positive habits. Hadith. The best of deeds is the most consistent. This hadith emphasizes the significance of consistency in our actions. Based on the Islamic teachings discussed above, here are some practical tips for developing positive habits. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and break down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Start small. Begin with small, achievable habits and gradually increase their complexity. Be consistent. Make a conscious effort to practice your habits consistently, even when it's challenging. Find accountability. Share your goals with friends, family, or a mentor to stay motivated. Seek guidance. Turn to Allah for guidance and support in your journey toward success. Habits are the architects of our destinies. By cultivating positive habits, we can align ourselves with the teachings of Islam and achieve our goals in both this world and the hereafter.